Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a winter holiday latte drink. So let's get started. To draw this very yummy drink, let's first start by drawing a big curve across. So because I'm drawing really big, I'm just going to give myself 2 points. So from here, and I'm just going to drag it across so I know where I'm going with my curve. So let's just say about this wide. I'll give myself 2 points. And from there, I can go ahead and draw a curve to connect it all together. So this is kind of like center will be my lowest point, and then I can start to go up. So it just makes it a little bit easier for me to draw this curve. From there, we're going to, let's see here, let's go down and we're going to draw our cup. So I'm going to come right here and come down, a little bit straight, and then come in. Just a little cup, a mug. And this is just meant to inspire you, so you can draw your cup any shape you want, of course. So let's say about right here. I'm just gonna make mine kind of short and cute little mug. So it's gonna be about right here on both sides. I'm just gonna go back and forth, and then about right there, I'm gonna go ahead and round it off and start to flatten it out towards the bottom. So about right here, and then connect it all together. There, so very simple mug or cup. Then from there, let's come over here since we're here and then draw a handle. So let's say about right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and go straight a little bit and then curve for a small little handle and bring it in. And then we're just gonna thicken it up. So let's say about right here, I'm just gonna follow whatever I drew on the outside and connect. There, so now I got a handle. Then from there we need to fill it up, right? So I'm gonna put a lot of cream in here, some whipped cream. And so let's come in a little bit, and I'm just gonna go up with a curve on both sides. Just go up, and then whatever space you have left, you can round it off if you like, just so that we know the cup goes around. Then from there, I wanted to put some candy canes in here in the whipped cream. So I'm going to start with that. Since it's in the foreground, then I won't need to erase. But if you're using a pencil, just finish the whipped cream and then you can put in the candy cane. Okay, so I'm going to stick them about right here. So I'm going to start, let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and start with a curve and bring it down to about right here. And then I'm going to bring this down to create my hook and go around. And so as I go around, I'm trying my best to make it all the same width. The same width and nice and round as I bring it in. And I'll end up a little bit higher. And then one more. So I know I want to stick it about right here. So I'm going to come in here really close to my other candy cane and draw this curve. And just imagine it's coming through. Right here, we're going to draw another curve for another hook. And once again, same thing. Just imagine it coming through. So about right here. There, got my 2 candy canes in. And so from there, I'm just going to go ahead and come right here and lightly draw a curve to make it look like my candy cane is inside the cream. Then from there, we can go ahead and draw the cream. So I'm going to come right here and draw one big dollop, so curve. It's going to go in about right here, just a little curve, and it's going to come up and say about right here. I'm just going to come in and draw this wave shape and out. And as I come on this side, I'm going to wobble with one big one and then another one just to finish it off to complete the other side. There. And then you can lightly, or with a light gray, but I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to lightly draw a line there so we know that there's some definition to our whipped cream here. So maybe something like that. There. Okay, and then almost forgot, we need to finish off this candy cane. So just gonna come right here and I'm just gonna draw some curves and finish it off. Draw in our stripes and one more. There, and then same thing here. Whatever is easiest for you to figure out these stripes. So something like that. And then let's go ahead and bring this to life. Oh, but before I do that, well, actually, you know what? Let's draw the eyes first. Let's go ahead since then we know where to put our drizzle. So I'm going to come about right here in this area, and I'll start with a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. That way my drizzle won't get in the way of my eyes. So I got one big circle. I'm going to come across, say about right here, and draw another circle. Just want to try my best to center these two circles. So about right here. And the second one is always harder. Okay, so now my two circles, I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights and a curve line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. And then I can go ahead and on up top of each eye, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, I'm going to draw a smile with a tongue sticking out because it's super yum. So I'm just going to curve it in and cap it off. There. So then from there, now we can finally draw some drizzle if you like. So I'm going to come right here and just go up and down. Sometimes a little bit lower, higher. It's all up to you. Have fun with this. Whee! And then maybe here, we're just going to go down more and back up. Aw. And of course, we need to add a heart. So I'm going to add it right here. And then on top right here, you can also decorate it with a bunch of sprinkles. So let's just make them circles and make it a little bit simpler. But you can make them like those sprinkles that are like a tube. I don't even know what you call them. But I'm just going to make them circles here today. And then you can color it Christmas colors just to make it extra festive. Maybe some up here. You know what, I'm just gonna leave it before I muddle up even more. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here to celebrate the winter holiday with this cute, well, it could be, I guess, a candy cane latte or any kind of latte you like. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you loved this drawing that helped you. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.